Dream Cars is your go-to channel for in-depth reviews, expert insights, and all the details you need about the most exciting vehicles on the market. Whether you are looking for performance, reliability, or cutting-edge technology, we bring you comprehensive breakdowns of the best cars out there. Today, we are diving into the Toyota Tacoma TRD, a truck known for its rugged capabilities, off-road performance, and dependable build. The Toyota Tacoma TRD lineup includes multiple trims, each designed to enhance off-road adventures while maintaining everyday usability. The TRD Sport is tailored for those who want a blend of comfort and performance with sport-tuned suspension, while the TRD Off-Road variant focuses on handling rough terrain with features like multi-terrain select and crawl control. The TRD Pro takes it to the extreme with Fox internal bypass shocks, skid plates, and all-terrain tires, making it a top choice for serious off-road enthusiasts. Under the hood, the Tacoma TRD models come with a 3.5-liter V6 engine, producing around 278 horsepower and 265 pound-feet of torque. This engine is paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic transmission, offering flexibility based on driving preference. The powertrain delivers solid acceleration and enough muscle to tow up to 6,800 pounds when properly equipped. Fuel efficiency is reasonable for a midsize truck, with an estimated range of 18 to 22 miles per gallon depending on driving conditions and drivetrain choice. One of the standout aspects of the Tacoma TRD series is its off-road capability. The TRD Off-Road and TRD Pro models come equipped with advanced features like a locking rear differential, hill start assist, and an upgraded suspension system. The multi-terrain monitor provides a clear view of obstacles through the infotainment screen, making navigation through challenging landscapes easier. Skid plates protect vital components, while the high ground clearance allows for confident tackling of rugged trails. Inside the cabin, the Tacoma TRD models balance durability with modern technology. The interior includes high-quality materials, supportive seating, and intuitive controls. The infotainment system features an 8-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa compatibility. Wireless charging and a premium JBL sound system are available on higher trims, adding convenience and entertainment for long drives. The spacious double cab option provides comfortable seating for passengers, while the access cab prioritizes cargo space. Safety is another strong point of the Tacoma TRD lineup. Toyota includes the Safety Sense Suite, which comes with features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. Blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert are also available, adding an extra layer of protection for drivers navigating city streets or highways. For those looking to customize their Tacoma TRD, Toyota offers a variety of accessories and packages. Owners can upgrade with TRD skid plates, roof racks, or even a snorkel for extreme off-road conditions. The truck bed is designed for versatility, featuring an easy lower tailgate, a power outlet, and an optional tonneau cover for added security. The driving experience in the Tacoma TRD is a mix of capability and comfort. The steering is responsive, and the suspension does a great job of absorbing bumps, especially on the TRD Pro with its Fox shocks. While the ride can feel slightly firm due to the off-road focused setup, it remains controlled and enjoyable for daily driving. The 6-speed automatic transmission is smooth but can feel slightly hesitant at times, while the manual transmission provides a more engaging drive for those who prefer hands-on control. Overall, the Toyota Tacoma TRD lineup offers a well-rounded package for truck enthusiasts. With its strong performance, advanced off-road capabilities, and modern features, it stands out as a top choice in the midsize truck segment. Whether you need a truck for weekend adventures, daily commutes, or work-related tasks, the Tacoma TRD delivers reliability and versatility. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated on the latest car reviews, specs, and features, make sure to subscribe to Dream Cars. Stay tuned for more exciting content and let us know in the comments what vehicle you want us to cover next.